Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to look deeper into the linear and quadratic expressions. So the first one would be linear expression. What would be the highest power of the variables? Yes, it's 1. So for example, x plus 2 is a linear expression because the highest power of the variables in this case is x is actually 1. Okay, so that is the highest power there. And moving into the quadratic expression, the highest power would then be 2. So the example here will probably be x squared plus x plus 1. This is one example where you can see that out of all the variables, that's the highest, 2. And the general form of the quadratic expression will be this: ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, some fixed number, and a cannot be equals to 0. So why is this coefficient of x squared, a, cannot be 0? Well, let's substitute this in. So, given this, then you can see that Mr. Tan will just substitute 0, x squared plus bx plus c. And now we can see, right? Anything times the power times 0 will be equals to 0. Therefore, eventually, this will become a bx plus c. And what expression is then bx plus c? The highest power is 1. That means this is a linear expression and not a quadratic expression when a equals to 0. Okay? And that sums up this particular video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.